Hey, salut à tous, c'est Cardan, on se retrouve pour ce nouvel épisode du Let's Play de Dreamfall Chapters et on venait de sortir du Coq et du Chaton, la taverne, en préparation de l'assaut de cette nuit. Et en vrai, on n'a pas un objectif très clair pour le moment en fait. Et je vois qu'il y a beaucoup de monde qui fait la fête, forcément c'est la fête de la moisson.
Reapmoon's Eve must be very important to Marcurians if they're willing to make such fools of themselves.
Ça va là? On vous dérange pas trop? Ah bah bravo! Je pensais pas qu'ils étaient en pleine action, mais visiblement si. En tout cas, il y aura de la diversion ce soir. Ça peut nous aider. Il y a beaucoup de fêtards. Là, il brûle. Là, on a un nom, regardez. Ruben André Breseit. C'est peut-être un... un... Comment dire? Quelqu'un qui a financé le Kickstarter aussi, en fait. Parce qu'il y a des noms comme ça qui traînent sans réellement de dialogue ou autre. Bah, c'est un peu surprenant.
Everyone's drunk, uninhibited,
Oui.
agitated. This could go very wrong very quickly.
Oh, je pense que c'est pas la première fois. Qui es-tu, toi? On peut pas t'en parler? Non. Il avait l'air quand même d'avoir un design assez spécifique, mais bon. Écoutez, tant pis. On va continuer notre petite exploration, si l'on peut dire. Bon, bref, tout le monde fait la fête. Mais nous, on n'est pas là pour rigoler. Il y a une queue d'ici. À quoi? Qu'est-ce qu'ils attendent?
I don't envy them their guard duty tonight. Don't think they're enjoying the festival.
The ceremony's not even starting yet. Just stay in line and have your
They're
papers ready.
lining up for the ceremony in Tower Square. They must be curious.
Ah, ils font la file d'attente pour la cérémonie. Ok, bon, là, il y a encore des gens qui se font des mamours. Adaya Rothman. Ralph Ruck. Très bien, bon, on peut pas interagir avec eux. Et je me disais, je peux pas passer par là. Si, je peux passer par là. Oh, fêtard vulgaire.
Goddess. The Reapmoon appears to turn man into beast.
Ah bon?
If we're lucky, they'll burn the city to the ground and then we can all go.
Ok, on peut rien faire.
Goddess damned heretics and them.
Ici, ils sont encore en train de faire brûler des dragons. Ou je ne sais quoi. Je sais pas ce que ça représente, ça, en fait. Simon Christiansen. Oh, mais c'est les développeurs du jeu, en fait.
If burning wicker witches makes people feel
Ah, c'est les
safe,
sorcières d'osier, ok.
so be it. I won't stand in their way. As long as they keep to burning straw puppets.
Bon, après, c'est pas terrible pour l'écologie tout de même. Hein.
Soft.
On va avancer un petit peu. Ah,
Gather round,
c'est
friends,
Otis, suis-je, je
gather
crois.
round. A most joyful Reapmoon's Eve to you all. Witness. A magical abomination has appeared among us on this holiest of holy
Oh, il y a une
nights.
cage en haut.
It's an
Ah non, ne
affront
dites
to
pas que c'est Croc.
decency and humanity.
Bah si, c'est sûr que ça va être
A
Croc qui est dedans.
foul, feathered, chattering foul.
Ah ouais, je m'en
Joke's
doutais.
on me. Open this cage right now.
It speaks with the voice of the great necromancer.
The voice of the what now?
Hold your breath, feathered servant of the shadow. Keep your obscene beak shut.
Can't argue with the obscene beak bit, but I'm not liking this whole bonfire thing you've got going on. I smell charred feathers.
Soon the grand ceremony begins, and the great engine ushers in a new age of reason, logic, and humanity. And an end to sorcery. We cannot let this foul heresy poison the night with its squawks and feathery filth. This false fowl mocked me once before, and caused a fellow follower, a fair friend of the cause, great physical pain and discomfort. The man may never be able to drink without dribbling again, all because of this freak of nature. I Honor Hilaris, candidate and faithful servant of humanity, will personally light the bonfire to rid Mercuria of this final remnant of diseased magic, honoring our ancient human traditions. And
You gibbering coward.
Ouh.
When are you gonna shut up and just go away? People are sick and tired of your racist tirades. If anyone here should be burned on that bonfire, it's you. Killing that poor bird is the complete opposite of what the reaping's all about. How dare you claim to represent humanity when there's nothing human about you at all?
Here, here.
And you! You're supposed to be keeping the peace, aren't you? When were you planning to put a stop to this? Are you just gonna let that madman burn birds and incite violence in the city you've sworn to protect?
We do not intervene in local tradition, madam.
Oh, do intervene. No one here would mind it one bit, I'm sure.
Local tradition? Local tradition? This farce has absolutely nothing to do with local tradition. We don't burn poor defenseless animals in bonfires on Reap Moon's Eve.
Well, it's not an animal, is it?
What?
I mean, it's magical. It's a talking bird. Not an animal, per se.
Technically, the man is not wrong. I'll give him that.
Of course, it's an animal. Magical or not, it's a living creature, and you should put a stop to this right now.
Yeah, what she said.
Sorry, madam, but unless an actual human is being harmed, we cannot intervene.
Ruddy coward. That goes for the lot of you, especially that pig. Cowards.
Ok, bon, à toute évidence, il va falloir essayer de sauver Gros. Mais comment?
Help me.
misguided individuals seem to be of the opinion
There's a
over
bird in
here
that
protecting
cage.
magicals
A
rather than
caged
protecting
bird.
humanity.
What do you want, bird? I don't have time for...
I know you. I've seen engravings. You're Keon.
Keep your voice down. Where did you see those engravings?
I spent some time in Sadir. I'm Crow, friend of April Ryan and Zoe Castillo.
You were a friend of April.
Friend, partner, sidekick. I came back to Mercuria to find you, believe it or not. And since you're the reason I'm in this predicament, you have to help me. And quickly, because soon, if things go the way they appear to be going, I'll be very, very hot.
I'm sorry, Bird, but I need to find a way into the tower, and time is
The
running...
tower? The Azadi Tower? Big, white, cloud-piercing edifice? I know a way into the tower. A secret way. Get me out of this death trap, and I'll get you inside
Comme
the
par
tower. I
hasard.
swear on my hatchling nest.
If you're lying, I'll snap your scrawny neck.
Cross my beak and hope to die, which is a distinct possibility. Quickly now, that madman won't orate forever.
Ok, bon, faut qu'on trouve un moyen de le libérer. C'est quoi ça? Du petit bois. On va
This
prendre. Hein.
seems like an obvious target for sabotage. This seems like an obvious target for... This must be the kindling they used to start the pyre.
Is to burn it. To burn it with fire. The fire cleanses. The fire destroys.
Cliché. On peut juste le regarder. Ah non, on peut le prendre.
All of them. Which one's least
Ok.
filthy? Nope.
Je sais pas à quoi ça me servir,
They're
mais
all
bon.
filthy. I feel unclean. The Merry Minstrom. Plenty of bitter beer for Reapman's Eve. From the state
Okay.
of revelers, I can't imagine there's much left in those barrels.
I will leave no cobblestone unturned.
The bird's stuck in there, and the pyre will soon be lit. If I do nothing, he'll burn. And
Il y a
with
des
him, my
citrouilles.
one chance of getting into a pumpkin.
In our
An odd
fair
vegetable.
city.
Native. In this city, they have bathtubs for birds. The Northlanders are an odd folk.
As we all know, I'm running for office in the City Watch.
Est-ce que je l'ai rempli? Je crois, hein. Ah non. J'ai pas examiné.
That was like
Dégueulasse.
drinking the shadow's sulphurous piss. Ah! I'm reasonably certain.
Ah, oh, c'est horrible.
Shit in it. I just drank bird shit. This
Ah.
was not a well-considered action by any
Je pensais que c'était de l'eau, moi.
No more.
Oh,
That ends tonight.
oh,
with
why do I
cleansing
do this to
fire.
myself? I'd say it was empty. There's a hard... I'd say it was empty. but
Alors
there's
peut-être
been
qu'on peut mettre de la bière
insidious
dedans
deep
aussi.
crust of filth lining this
Je
castle.
pensais plus à de l'eau pour, je sais pas, éteindre la mèche s'il allume.
Of witchcraft and wizardry.
On va retenter.
The Wicked Witch of the North. Death to magic. Death to magicals.
Il y a de l'eau là-dedans ou pas?
If anything, this foul water has made the flagon even filthier.
Passion and empathy
Ok.
than humans. It's a scientific fact.
Ah mince, j'ai encore revu.
Many scholars have measured skulls.
Oui, mais ça je l'ai vu.
Like
Bon, c'est pas grave.
making the shadows
Ça doit servir à quelque chose.
Ah, I'm reasonably certain
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a d'autre?
bird shit in it.
Bonjour.
I just
It's
drank
Reap
bird
Moon's
shit.
Eve,
This
sir,
was not
and
a well-considered
you
action by
appear to
any
be
measure of things.
uninebriated. For shame, public intoxication.
Bon, désolé pour le chevauchement des phrases, hein.
Do this to myself.
You're in luck, sir. Most stalls have shut down for the evening, but we're open and will remain open.
Bon, y a que de l'alcool, hein,
until
dans
the
ce
very
truc.
last bottle has been sold, which, from my experience, won't be too long now. The discriminating Northlander knows we're a notch above the rest. No Southlands imports here, sir. These bottles are tapped in the Northlands with wine from the
Pas beaucoup de
tart
monde, hein, par ici.
purple grape of
I'm sure your wine is more than adequate, merchant.
Oh. Very well. What can I get you tonight, most sober of sirs? Perhaps you want to sample a bottle before you buy?
I'm not some barbarian choosing wine. A small sample before I make my decision.
Which wine, sir?
Alors. Cave du Val de la Chèvre. Flamme du Dragon. Rose pourpre du Nord. Ok. Moi j'en sais rien.
Dragon's fire. They've even put a little fireball on the bottle. I'm not sure if that's an invitation or a warning.
Interesting. You want to sample the Dragon's Fire, our most potent wine, capable of reducing seasoned warriors to tears and bashful
Je vois pas où ça
maidens
nous mène pour le
to-
moment.
I want to taste it now.
Alors, il y en a
As
3 à
you please,
tester.
sir. There you go, sir. Give that a smell.
Ah ouais, c'est un tout
a
petit verre.
swirl, and a sip.
Ok. Qu'est-ce que j'en fais du coup? J'ai déposé... J'ai déposé ma chope à la place du petit verre. Vous croyez qu'il va le voir? Et du coup, je peux faire quoi avec ça?
Even this amount can probably kill a grown man.
Ah! C'est tellement violent que ça va peut-être nous servir du coup ça. Ah, il a goûté.
Shadow. Burns like fire.
J'ai bien envie de lui demander de resservir un test pour voir s'il voit qu'il verse dans une chope et pas dans un petit verre.
Hello again. Changed your mind, sir? Do you perhaps want a little sampler?
I'm not a small sample before I make my decision.
Bon, je vois un petit peu l'idée, mais pas complètement. En gros, là on récupère un truc qui est super fort. Peut-être pour saouler quelqu'un. Ou alors c'est pour faire fondre quelque chose, parce que ça a l'air très très violent. Peut-être de l'acide, tu vois, c'est de l'alcool à 90. Mais...
I want to taste it now.
As you please, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. Odd. I don't remember the tasting cup being quite so expensive.
Ah, il a dû goûter sa marchandise, lui, à mon avis. Hein. Ok, bon, on récupère ça. On va pas la boire ce coup-ci. Moi, ce que je vois, c'est ça. Et on peut éventuellement parler avec lui. Je crois. Inspecter un petit peu dans le public. Il y avait... Oh, il y a encore des gens qui font des galipettes là derrière. C'est terrible. La blonde qui râlait, elle est où? Elle est partie. Hein. Parce qu'elle, elle aurait pu m'aider.
I don't think they're here to hear him speak. They're just drawn to spectacle like moths.
Alors il y a peut-être un truc à faire avec la vasque à oiseaux et la chope qu'on a récupérée aussi.
So now, I shall put my torch to this
Oh, il est en mauvais état lui. Mais c'est
Reapman's
juste
Eve
un
must
passant.
be very important to Markurians,
On va tenter de
living
mettre
amid such
le
fools
contenu de
as
la chope dans
yourselves.
la vasque. Il faudrait l'allumer ensuite pour qu'elle prenne feu, si c'était ça. Et comme je vois pas de clé à molette, enfin d'engrenage, je pense pas que ce soit ça. J'ai peur qu'il la boive en fait, honnêtement.
Drink that? All of it? I'd prefer to die with honor
Okay.
in battle. It'd be a lot less painful.
Ça s'utilise pas directement. Et si je combine avec ça, ça fait rien. On va essayer d'utiliser là. Bon, je vois pas où tu veux en venir en fait. Ah, il va ronger tout le bois, c'est ça?
Sounds like Hilarious is about to wrap up his mad ramblings. I'll just have to wait and watch.
Ou alors ça va prendre feu, ça va exploser.
But enough talk. This bewinged demon, this symbol of sorcery, this affront to humanity must burn.
Must he? Must is a very strong word. I'm not sure it's a word I use to.
Burn, you transmogrified necromancer! Burn!
Oh boy, here we go.
Ok.
God save me!
Alors c'est particulièrement violent. Et l'oiseau n'est pas sauvé, hein, pour moi.
Nothing to see here.
Ah si, il a dit que s'il y avait un humain qui était en danger, il intervenait.
We need to get him to a healer now. God has protected us. He'll be lucky to survive the night. Right.
Wow, c'est
party's
violent
over.
quand même.
Go on, all of you. Go home. Be with your families.
Ils réagissent pas des masses, hein, eux. Il y a un type qui vient de se faire brûler devant eux.
Good
Il
job.
bouge pas.
And now,
I
get me
can't.
off this
I need
blazing
something long enough to reach the
bonfire.
cage. I can't. I need something
Oh là,
long enough
mince.
to reach the cage.
Alors il
I
est
can
trop et
still
je peux
see
pas y aller.
The flames are getting closer. You may
Comment on
wanna,
fait?
you know,
J'ai rien sur moi.
out the fire.
Ah, il y a ça. Ouais, il m'a fait peur ce feu. Ah, bah voilà. Crow est libéré. Un petit peu étrange ce puzzle, hein.
Talk about cutting things close. I smell of singed plumage and smoke.
So, were you lying to me about that secret entrance to the tower?
No, I would never. Well, I totally would. That would be just like me, lying to save my tail feathers. But I was actually telling the truth. I do know a way into the tower. From below. No? Not making much of an impression on you. Okay then. Follow me, big guy, and I'll lead you through the darkness into the light. The light, in this case, being the tower. More specifically, that weird pillar of dreamy light rising into the center of the tower with all the rotating metal bits.
You mean the engine?
Is that what they call it? The weird thing with the gears and the levers and the metal whatsits? Then yes, the engine. What, you don't want to go there?
Lead the way, Bird. And fast.
Crow. And I'm useful again.
Il est pas très agréable un Kian avec Crow, je trouve. Bon, on comprend qu'il y a une certaine tension par rapport au délai de ce soir, quoi, mais bon. Bah, si t'as envie que le corbeau t'aide.
Imbeciles! Amateurs! Don't they know who they're dealing with? Don't they know who I... Finally! What took you so long? I've been in here for days!
You fool. How did you manage to get yourself locked up?
Some people don't appreciate art.
Come. You need to prepare the engine for the ritual.
Yes, Master.
Oh là!
About bloody time.
Ok, Robert Clax, il travaille pour le prophète. Bah super. Avant, il travaillait pour la Baba Yaga, finalement. En quelque sorte.
Home sweet home.
Et on est de retour à l'auberge.
I mean, you raided it and arrested everyone and directly contributed to closing it down for good. Remember?
Yes, Bird, I remember.
Good. Yeah, it's a far cry from how it looked back in those happy days, but I've nested here. It's not bad. Also, it's Crow. My name is Crow.
What does this place have to do with the tower?
Okay, right. So, there's a secret passage leading from the cellar into a ruined subterranean city below Marcuria. Both April and Zoe used it. I've been through there a few times myself. Purely for research purposes, of course. Not to look for treasure.
Where's the cellar?
Behind the bar and to the right.
Ok. On va vérifier quand même qu'il n'y ait pas des trucs sympas à regarder, mais ça n'a pas l'air. On peut pas courir. Il est respectueux, Kian. Il court pas dans une taverne. Bon, bah écoutez, on va y aller. Hein. Il y a l'air de rien avoir de spécial là. On peut encore interagir avec Crow.
The cellar door is behind the bar.
Ok.
This is the cellar door?
They've boarded it up? It wasn't boarded up the last time I checked. Or maybe it was. To be honest, I haven't been down there in ages. Well, I guess this is it. There's no way past those flimsy wooden boards.
Va tout
How
casser,
about
ouais.
grabbing a cup of ale and a front seat to the end of the world? This is it. The end of our journey. And we
Et voilà.
Okay.
Toujours dans la finesse, hein.
Violence. I'm not used to adventuring with people who resort to violence. I have to say, it's very refreshing not having to look for keys or levers or trying to trick wizards into lowering bridges. We should have brought you along from the start. You would have saved us a lot of time.
Let's go, Bird.
Crow. Seriously. Watch your step, big guy. Here we are. This is it. The entrance to the grand underground realm beneath Marcuria. It doesn't look so grand from this side, but believe me, it's grand.
Ok. On peut pas récupérer la fiole. On connaît un petit peu ces endroits-là. Hein. On était passé
There's
dans un mur
nothing
magique.
No, watch this. This next part is truly awesome. Ahem.
On se souvient de ce puzzle, hein. On s'en souvient.
Look! Not bad, eh? Just like with your foot upstairs, except with my voice.
Et nous, on passe pas là-dedans. Hein.
Come on! What are you waiting for?
I can't get through there.
Oh, sure you can. It's just... Oh, yeah, no. I see what you mean. That would be a tight squeeze. You're bigger than I thought, big guy. Weird. When April and Zoe did it, they fit perfectly, and they're not that much smaller than... Wait, I know. You need to sing.
Sing?
Makes perfect sense. Bird makes music, bird-sized hole appears, human makes music. Well, you do the math.
I can't sing.
You have a sing hole in your face. Blow air through it. Come on. The fate of the universe depends on it.
Fine. How does it go again?
Now you. Go!
Oh mince, alors. C'était aigu. Grave. Intermédiaire. Et la dernière, je suis pas sûr. Grave.
No. That's all wrong. Try again.
Remind me how that song goes again.
Ah non, c'est aigu, intermédiaire, aigu, grave.
Nothing. That was correct, wasn't it? It sounded correct to my ears.
That was, serviceable. So,
Maybe I need to do it louder.
I don't think... Wait. There was something else. When April passed through here, she had some sort of, egg.
Egg?
A magic egg. It must still be down here somewhere. Unless someone's stolen it. Which is quite possible. It was a while ago.
How would a magic egg help?
How can a magic egg not help? Come on, look for it.
This is ridiculous. I feel ridiculous. What a tragic fate for a lovely chandelier. This tavern must have looked grand back in the day. Once were barrels, probably for beer or wine.
Ce serait surprenant que qu'il soit resté là, mais bon, bah il est forcément, sinon on pourrait plus passer. Ah, il y avait une...
Once were barrels, probably for beer or wine. They were probably used to hang salted meats. Marcurians may fall short in many areas, but their salted meats are spectacular.
Pensez que c'est en dehors de la pièce? Peut-être.
Ale casks, most likely. From the label, I'd say this probably held liquor once. A sad sack. Flour, maybe.
Je me souviens plus qu'on ait caché un œuf, hein, moi.
Tools. Rusted through and quite useless. From the label, I'd say this probably held liquor once. A sad sack. Flour, maybe. Ale casks, most likely. Now this is the stuff. Real Southlands wines. I'll have to come back here after tonight to rescue these fine bottles from decay and obscurity.
On peut pas remonter, donc c'est dans ces deux pièces-là. Ah bah c'est ça, non?
There's something odd about that lamp. It doesn't match the rest of the decor. What's this? Some sort of egg? The goddess smiles on me tonight. I'll just need to be careful. Ah, shadow. There, got it.
Okay.
This certainly looks like a magic egg, whatever its true purpose. Hopefully, it'll help me.
Alors, je pense qu'on a une petite idée sur à quoi ça sert, hein.
My suspicions are confirmed. It's a wall. Just a wall.
Whoa,
Really?
What did you do?
I used the egg. Weren't you watching?
No. But see, I told you, the magic egg helped. I guess you needed a magic item because you were so thoroughly unmagical. Me? I'm a magic bird. I'm my own, magic egg. No props needed.
Bon, ça a un petit peu de
And
sens.
now there are magic symbols. Cool. Well, good luck with that.
Alors, on se souvient que dans le second jeu, on avait utilisé la technique du au pif et ça finit par passer. Alors, il me semble que c'était celle-ci. Celle-ci. On revient sur la haute. Et on fait la basse. Ah, non, ça n'a pas marché. Alors c'est celle-ci la plus haute. C'est un peu dur à dire. Pour moi c'est dur en tout cas. Ah, bah quand même.
Nice work, big guy. And nice work, me.
Onwards, bird.
Crow. How hard is it to get that one right? Crow.
Pourquoi est désagréable comme ça, Kian, avec Crow? C'est bizarre. Enfin bref. Est-ce qu'on va switcher de personnage? Ah, on est en mode story. Ok. fait. Pas beaucoup plus d'informations.
There used to be a lot of these creatures down here, grubbers, but they've all vanished. I don't know where they could have gone. They wouldn't really fit in upstairs, especially not with the, those new guidelines vis-a-vis magicals. So what we're looking for is right there. A floaty thing, what you can row in?
Boat?
That's it! Row, row, row your boat gently across the deep, dark, eldritch subterranean lake filled with all kinds of ancient, tentacly weirdness and sleeping gods.
Please, bird. Silence.
Crow! And I'm just trying to lighten the mood, big guy. You need to laugh more.
I laugh when it's appropriate to do so.
Show me.
What? No. I won't perform for you like a trained ape man.
Come on, you can do it. It's easy. Like this.
Il fait flipper.
See? Open your mouth, smile, push air through. I mean, I have a beak. I don't know how it works for you humans, but if I was going to guess...
Ha! Ha ha! Huh?
That's sad. Frankly, that was disturbing. Please don't ever do that again.
You have my word.
Good. So, did you and April ever...
Oh, dégueulasse.
You know, mate, copulate?
No. Bird, you need to learn common decency. And I am gay. I don't mate with women.
Alors ça sort de nulle part.
Interesting.
Alors je l'ai pas compris
I
du tout,
prefer
mais...
females myself. But it's not like there's a lot of us around, whatever
Enfin,
my
bref.
species is. And as long as I'm not starting a family of my own, who cares really? Although I would like to start a family, I'm getting on. It may not show, but I've plucked some gray feathers, and I can feel it in my wings. Most mornings, they're stiff as dry twigs. I won't be around forever. It would be nice with a young wife to take care of me in my twilight years, to regurgitate my food and care for our hatchlings. I'd like to pass down some of the wisdom I've acquired through my journeys across the world, and all the jokes.
I'm sure you'll meet the right bird. Someday. Soon.
I hope so. I really hope so.
Ouais, trop bizarre ce passage d'orientation pour Kian. Alors pour moi ça sort vraiment de nulle part. J'ai vu aucune info qui allait dans ce sens-là. Si c'est le cas c'est un peu nul parce que c'est juste pour mettre un flag, vous savez. Et si je l'ai raté, ben j'en suis désolé. Peut-être que je les ai ratés. Mais c'est trop bizarre. Enfin bref. Et juste pour info, pendant la séquence, fallait que j'appuie sur R1 à chaque coup de rame. Oh,
Here
c'est
we
joli
are.
ici.
This is it.
This is unbelievable. It's beautiful. My skin is tingling. There's a strange energy coming from that. These are dreams.
That swirling blue pillar? If you listen closely, you can hear them. Thousands of voices. It is beautiful. This place was built by the grubbers who lived down here as some sort of container to store dreams. And now the grubbers are mysteriously gone. There's probably some greater plot here that I cannot possibly wrap my little bird brain around. The tower's right above us.
They built the tower on top of this place. That can't be a coincidence.
Oh, speaking of coincidences, I remember the temple that used to be up there, before they tore it down, belonged to the Sentinel, the protectors of the balance. Nice place. Beautiful murals. Shame it got destroyed. And like I said, probably just a coincidence.
That's my way up.
I'll fly up and wait for you at the top. It'll take you a while to climb the whole way.
Ok. Bon, on sait que leur objectif c'est de faire disparaître la magie. En tout cas, c'est ce qu'ils disent. Ah. Alors s'ils sont 3 contre 20 à mon avis, hein. Est-ce qu'il est mort? Si vous... Ah, il est mort. Alors je m'attendais quand même à un truc un peu plus héroïque, là c'est un peu n'importe quoi, mais bon très bien. J'allais dire si on voit pas le corps c'est qu'il est pas mort, mais là on l'a bien vu. Alors c'est vraiment pour dire il s'est fait tuer mais genre 3 secondes quoi. C'est un peu ridicule en vrai. Me rushez pas la fin. Me rushez pas la fin.
They're trying to break through. Oh, this isn't good.
Ok. Ça me rassure pas trop ces petites séquences de 3 secondes. Hein. Ok, on est remonté avec Ken.
That took longer than I expected. I had time for a wee nap.
Light. This is incredible. It must have taken years to build all this.
It's pretty nifty. And oh so shiny. You Azadi are really into metal, aren't you? So, what now?
I need to access the engine's central control panel. There should be a speaking tube there I can use to reach Anna, Enno, and Fedaus.
I'm guessing that would be in the center of this chamber. And there's someone there.
Genre tu l'avais pas vu.
One person.
En plus tu le connais hein.
I don't think so. He looks really old and frail. You could probably kill him with your pinky finger. Actually, he looks familiar. But I'm probably wrong. My eyes aren't what they used to be.
We need to be careful, or he may raise the alarm. Stay here, Bird.
Crow. Crow. It's Crow. It's...
Bon, on est sûr que ça va se terminer avec une séquence particulière où finalement il l'appelle Crow. En mode je te reconnais. Ah oui, il était quand même un petit peu loin, ok. Je pensais qu'il était plus proche. Dans ce qu'on voyait, c'était même juste à côté. Mais non. Après nous, on sait qui c'est, évidemment. C'est Rupert Claps. Rupert Claps. Qui change d'alignement entre chaque épisode, visiblement. Par contre, du coup, ça m'étonnerait qu'il veuille faire disparaître la magie si lui travaille pour le prophète. Il y a anguille sous roche, comme on dit.
These are all part of the engine, connected via pipes.
Ok. Pensez que ça va être un puzzle avec toutes ces machines là?
Part of the engine, connected via pipes.
J'ai le vertige hein, là. Il y a encore une porte là-bas. Ah, on peut pas passer là. Ok. Bah zut, comment tu passes du coup? J'ai raté un... Ah bah il est là. J'ai raté un pont là-bas, je pense. Non, ça c'est d'où je viens. Qu'est-ce que j'ai raté? J'ai raté un truc. C'est pas les chaînes, il peut pas marcher sur les chaînes. Je vais juste revenir en arrière pour voir si j'avais qu'un passage ici. Je crois que oui, hein, mais... Ouais, j'en ai qu'un. Bon. Une machine là-bas, une machine ici, une à côté. Là, on peut pas passer, là non plus. Là, on peut longer un peu. Là, il y a une plateforme en haut qu'apparemment on pourrait éventuellement faire descendre pour pouvoir passer. Avec un levier ici. Ok, je l'avais pas vu. Bien sûr, il a rien repéré, hein. Bah non. Hop. On peut aller ici. Encore une machine là. Comme on les actionne pas, je sais pas à quoi ça sert. Et on arrive ici.
These are all part of the engine, connected via pipes.
J'espère qu'il va pas falloir les activer dans un certain ordre. C'est pas des puzzles les plus intéressants, ça. Bon. Alors, est-ce qu'il faut se planquer de Rupert? Ou est-ce qu'il faut y aller en frontal? Bonne question, n'est-ce pas? Il ne me voit pas, je suis super discret.
He might not pose much of a danger, but he could call on the tower sentries.
Hop.
I need to no incantations, no sorcery, no suspicious wiggling of fingers.
I'm not a wizard, not really. Honest to God, I'm an engineer, just an engineer.
T'as pas une dégaine d'ingénieur, hein? Alors.
For some reason, his oddly shaped head brings to mind Guillen. There's something familiar about him. But more importantly, what does he know about
Ah, c'est un peu vieux.
For some
Je sais pas, je sais pas. Allez, dans la logique de Kian, ce serait plutôt demander sur le moteur. C'est notre mission.
What am I? My dear chap, I designed and built this engine. This is all me. It's an accomplishment without equal in this world, and I...
So, what does it do?
What does it do? It calculates. It's a giant calculating machine, that's all.
He's not being particularly forthcoming, and there's no time for the pickled turnip beats the rod and nails every time.
Ah, je sais pas, hein. On va tenter la flatterie.
It's an impressive piece of work.
Isn't it? A work of art. I got the idea for this after spending some amount of time inside a particularly insidious prison.
Effectivement, premier jeu.
Gods know what they're planning to use it for. I built the engine, but I'm not the one with the grand plans. You'll want to speak with the Prophet and his emissary. They're behind it all. I'm
Son
merely
émissaire.
a servant. As I said, just a humble engineer.
I find that hard to believe.
Believe what you... Oh, thank the cruel gods of old...
Il l'a poignardé?
I said just a humble engineer.
Alors là, j'ai pas compris.
Find that hard
Je suis
to
revenu en arrière.
Believe what you... Oh, thank the cruel gods of old you're here, finally. Please save me from this barbarian brute.
Ah,
Be sorry you ever threatened me, foul lout.
c'était une astuce si on se retournait et je me suis retourné comme un bébête, il m'a poignardé.
Good job taking out the frail old guy. Hey, Clax.
What does that mean?
It means, hey, Clax. As in Roper Clax. Wizard, puppeteer, writer, entertainer, slightly creepy geezer. What's Clax doing here? Last time I saw him, he got arrested by the Azadi for doing a puppet show about magic.
C'est vrai.
Don't ask.
It appears he's working with the Azadi, not against them. But it doesn't matter. I need to contact Fadauz.
And I'll be perching right over here, keeping an eye on things.
Ok. Là, on a des leviers. 4 leviers.
Hello? Hello? Enu? Anna? Fadauz? Anyone there? How does this Shadowforge thing work?
We're here, Kian.
Ah, on l'entend.
Thank goddess. So, what now? Hello?
You don't actually have to speak so loud, Kian. We can hear you perfectly well. I'll put Ferdows on. One moment.
Apostle? I mean, Mir? Kian? Right. Okay, so, remember our first conversation? You're inside the core now. The heart of the engine. And the chamber you're in, it's a battery. It contains all the dreams the tower has collected. Millions of them. You've probably seen the big glowing blue pillar. That's the vortex, the manifestation of the dream energy. You're standing by the main controls to the engine.
I don't need details, Fadauz. Just tell me what to do.
Sorry. So, there's a way to control the engine from where I am, but you need to give me direct access first. Right now, the engine will be in automatic mode because it's designed to be autonomous during the final calculations. You need to put it back into manual mode. There should be a panel to the left of the speaking tube. Locate the knob with a hand symbol on it. That indicates manual controls.
Ok, on l'a trouvé. On voit qu'ici il y a l'alarme. Ici il y a les réglages, j'imagine. Bah écoutez, cependant nous on va s'arrêter là pour cet épisode. On va s'arrêter parce que j'ai l'impression qu'on est parti pour plusieurs petites énigmes. C'est jamais des grosses énigmes, mais on sait qu'on peut être bloqué parfois. En tout cas, j'espère que vous avez apprécié cet épisode. Et bien évidemment, je vous dis à la prochaine.